Good morning. Today I'm going to just demo quickly the new feature in the TradeNotifier indicator. What's new is you are now able to save your trades to a local file, and you'll just put in the file path. So same setup as before, you put your account name in, configure your Telegram and Discord if you need to, or any other colors for the Discord notifications, etc. Down here, you still enable the journal, but now you have three options. You can send it to Google Sheets, which when you purchase, I will work with you to get your Google Sheets set up if you need and want to use that mode. Or you can do local file or both. Because local file is the new one, I'm going to select that one and just show you what it looks like. Down on the bottom, you see local journal path. This is where you're going to save the file. So I'm going to just send it to my desktop. And then we'll call it the demo trades CSV. And that's all you have to do. Once you do that, you click apply, and then any trades that you make on the account that you put in will go to the file. One thing to note is, see the file just popped up over here in the corner. Is if you want to do multiple accounts, that's totally fine. You'll just run this on a separate chart. So if I pull up another chart really quickly, any trade here will also show up in the sheet. So I go back and do another one. We'll take a look. Sweet. So here is what it looks like. It's not, it's just a normal CSV. You can take it, import it wherever you want to import it. You can use it in analysis, however you want to do it. But I think this is a nice way to log your trades, especially if you're a high frequency trader, because the Google Sheets API can limit you. So I think this is a great addition to have in the notifier for those of you that are trading a lot and scalping. And you can see it, the different accounts are in here. The timestamps are all in here, and the different instruments, etc. So it's the same setup as it is in Google Sheets. The only difference is it's in saving to your local. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I think this is a really nice one. I'll reiterate, if you're using the free trial of this, I would suggest you'd use the local for testing purposes, because otherwise you can reach out to me and I can set up a Google Sheet for you, but this is probably the one you want to start testing with at first. So that's the new integration. Not integration, it's the new feature, and hopefully you guys find it useful. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next update video.